Hello humans, welcome to Hello Kirsten, and I am Kirsten, and today I am doing an unboxing, but I also have with me is my sister. Hello. Okay, so today we are unboxing Nurture Garden, which sells candles and soap supplies, and they're really nice. So let's get to it. Okay, so right here we have my box. Okay, so hold on. Have the receipts, which this goes over here. Cute one. You don't show it to them. You read it. Tell them what we have today.
We have 2 clear diamond melt and pour soaps, 1 hemp oil melt and pour clear soap, and we have 24 karat gold mica.
Okay, so the first item we have in this box today is the 24 karat gold mica, which is we ordered it in 1 ounce. We don't have gold, so you know that's really good to having handy. And then, do you want to pull up the next thing that's inside the box? Okay, just pull out one thing at a time, because it's very heavy, the box. Okay, so let's see.
This is our melt and pour diamond clear soap, 2 pounds.
They're 2 pounds each. We ordered in 2 pounds each, and we got 4 pounds of this.
Really cool. They come in like cut square shapes.
Yes, just really cool. I can't wait to use
and
that.
Useful.
And we also have a melt and pour hemp oil, and it's white because you know we need white to do things unless you have titanium dioxide to color your clear soap, but we don't, so we're gonna use whites today, which is in 2 pounds, and we ordered 1.
A glimmer, a hint of hope that keeps me strong, and as it brightens, I know it's here that I belong, in a new land, far from where I used to know, with the warm sand and the ocean's morning glow.
In our next soap video, we will be trying these products and reviewing them. We will show you how you can use them yourselves, and we will have a link in the description as well to where you can find these products. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.